Looking for some powerful words and phrases to really boost your writing in the IELTS test? In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 power words and vocabulary words to boost your writing score in the IELTS writing test. Let's get to it.
Hello again, IELTS students. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into the world of IELTS Writing Part 2, and I'll be sharing some powerful words and phrases that can help you boost your score in the IELTS writing test. These tips will not only improve your writing score, but also make your essays more engaging and persuasive. So let's get started. So in IELTS Writing Part 2, you'll be asked to write an essay in response to a point of view, argument, or problem. To achieve a higher score here, it's essential to use a wide range of vocabulary and demonstrate your ability to express ideas clearly and effectively. That's where words and phrases come in, especially power words and phrases. These are words and phrases that can make your writing more persuasive, engaging, and impactful. Let's look at some examples, how to use them in your essays. So a strong introduction is crucial for setting the tone of your essay. Here are some power words and phrases you can use to make your introductions more engaging. Undoubtedly, this word shows you're confident in your opinion. For example, undoubtedly, the issue of climate change is one of the most pressing concerns of our time. 2. It is widely believed that. This phrase demonstrates that your opinion is shared by many. For example, it is widely believed that education plays a vital role in shaping an individual's future. Now let's move on to power words and phrases for the body of your essay. The body of your essay is where you'll present your main arguments and you'll be able to support them with evidence. Here are some power words and phrases to make your arguments more persuasive. Furthermore, this word helps you add more information to your argument. For example, furthermore, studies have shown that regular exercise can improve mental health. 2. On the other hand. This phrase is useful for presenting contrasting ideas. For example, on the other hand, some people argue that technology has made our lives more complicated. Number 3. As a result. This phrase helps you show the consequences of a particular action or situation. For example, as a result, many people are now working from home to reduce their carbon footprint. So that is the body. Let's now look at the conclusion and discuss some power words and phrases for your conclusion. A strong conclusion is essential for leaving a lasting impression on your reader. Here are some power words and phrases to make your conclusions more impactful. 1. In conclusion. This phrase signals you're about to wrap up your essay. For example, in conclusion, it is clear that adopting a healthy lifestyle can lead to numerous benefits. Number 2, ultimately. This word helps you emphasize the main point of your essay. For example, ultimately, the responsibility for protecting the environment lies with both individuals and governments. So now that we've covered power words and phrases for each section of your essay, let's discuss some general tips for using them effectively. 1. Don't overuse them. While power words and phrases can make your writing more engaging, using too many can make your essay sound unnatural. Aim for a balance between power words and simpler language. 2. Practice using them in context. To become comfortable with power words and phrases, practice incorporating them into your writing. This will help you understand how to use them effectively and naturally. 3. Review your essay. After writing your essay, review it to ensure that you've used power words and phrases appropriately. Make any necessary adjustments to improve the flow and clarity of your writing. Most of all, with IELTS writing, keep it simple, keep it clear, and try not to go above the word count by too much. So for task 1 in the academic test, try to write 160 to 170 words. For task 2, aim to write 260 to 270 words. So I hope these power words and phrases help you boost your IELTS Writing Part 2 score. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more IELTS tips and strategies. If you need help with your IELTS writing, don't forget to check the links in the description below, where you can find our expert IELTS success course. You can also meet with Daniel and Claudia to get advice, strategies, lessons, materials, and feedback on your writing. And finally, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and join our free community on Facebook, where you can meet lots of other IELTS students like you and get tips, advice, knowledge, and materials from Daniel and Claudia as well. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.